Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the sending country on Remitly, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after opening the app, click on the My Remitly at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see the sending to friends option. It's friends because when I've downloaded the app, I've selected to send money to friends. But you can see that you can change it whenever you would like. So click on the arrow and then will appear the sending to list, and here you can select the country where you would like to send money to. uh, let's say Greece. Save, and now you can see at the top of the screen that it will change to Greece. So this is how you can change the sending country. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.